Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I will be making Christmas ornaments and I will be using a toilet empty paper roll and then UV resin. So these are the product that I will be using. So first thing you need to do is that you need to color your paper roll. You can use acrylic paint, whatever paint you have. I use a spray paint. And now I'm going to press this and I'm going to cut this into equal parts. And for precise cutting, I'm going to measure it out. And here I'm doing a marking half a centimeter and then I will be putting some dots and then I will cut this. And now I'm going to cut all of these. And now comes the fun part. You need a mold that is a bit in the bigger size. So I'm using this mold. This mold is actually working as a base. So I'm going to arrange this now. So here you can be creative as much as you like. You can make different shapes. It's really up to you. And when you're happy with the shape, now it's the fun part and you're going to use UV resin. So these parts are a bit on the, you can say, quicker side. So you're going to use the UV resin and then you have to cure it fast. So I'm using a mold here because it is really helpful, but you can use the tape also that is meant for making the jewelry. I don't think so that there is a bigger size of that tape available. It is just for small jewelry products. So I think this mold is perfect for that. You can use any bigger mold. So here I'm just pouring the UV resin and then I will cure this under the UV light. So this is going to be the first layer. And this goes under the UV lamp. So it is cured now and on to the next step. And the next step is that it is going to be very creative. It's up to you, whatever way you would like to make it. I'm going to use some glitters. I'm going to use some aura flakes. And I'm going to combine this into the resin and I will be making the petals. So this was actually an idea and I'm making this first time. I was not sure that if it is going to work or not. So I use very less glitter. Later on I mix some more glitter into the resin and then I poured. You need a lot of glitter to make it vibrant. Now I'm doing the top coat and then after that it is going under the UV lamp again. So here I'm adding a pearl into the center of the ornament because it was looking empty. So I use a pearl. So putting a little bit of UV resin in the center and then putting the pearl and then I will cure this again. And now the moment of truth, I'm going to see if it is cured all the way. I'm going to remove this off the mold, and carefully I'm doing that. So this is why you need the mold. So the underneath is still a little undercured, so I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to cure this under the UV lamp. So that one is done now. Now I'm a bit confident I'm going to create another shape with using these. So here I'm actually creating the shape. You can know that now it's up to you whatever shape you want to make. So in this one, I'm going for a bit Christmas festive sort of colors. So I'm using Aura Flakes, red, green. So again, the process is same. I'm going to use the UV resin as my first layer, and after I'm going to cure that, and then I'm going to add the details like adding beads, Aura Flakes, glitters. Now, yeah, it's up to you, whatever you like. And after my first layer is cured, I have taken out the UV resin and I'm now adding the glitter and the Aura Flakes. And after doing that, I'm going to do the alternate colors. So it's going to be green, red, and then in the center, I am planning to use golden. So the green and red are done now. So as I explained that I'm going to use the golden into the center. So that's what I'm doing here. So all of these are cured now and I'm adding some pearl beads. As I explained in the before, I added a pearl into the center. So I'm adding some pearls into this one also. So here we go. Now I'm going to remove this. So if you see the extra spill from the sides, so you can simply use a plier. It is really hard, so you can easily remove that off. Now I'm going to turn this over, and again I'm going to cure from the underneath because it is still a little uncured. So this one seems to be cured really well. And here we go. I am loving this. It is working so well. So I was really enjoying this technique. So I'm going to make another flower. I'm going to do a little different this time. So I'm going to again do the same thing using clear UV resin as a base. I'm going to cure that and then on to the next step. So on to the next step is that I'm using some dry flowers. Yes, I'm taking a bit step ahead instead of using the glitters and aura flake. So I'm just choosing which color I have to use. And then I'm going to arrange the flowers into this flower. So I cut the flowers in half and now I'm going to arrange this. So this is what I will be doing in whole of the flower. So this is done now. Now I'm doing the top coat, and for after top coat, I'm going to cure this again under the UV lamp. And then I'm going to remove this from the mold. And after making these bigger ones, I thought I'm going to make some smaller ones also. So I'm making some smaller one. I will be doing just one. So in this way, you can create a theme around your Christmas tree. You can hang flowers, then you can make this simple one as petals. There is so much you can do with this. Just a simple plain empty toilet roll, and no one knows that you can create something so amazing out of it without any molds. And here I have mixed the golden one, and I'm going to pour this. So actually I will be making two of these. So both of them are done now, and this is how they are looking like. And I'm going to cure the underneath, as I explained that some of them do not cure all the way. So now they were looking really easy to me. I'm going a bit harder on myself, and I'm using this RESIN inlay, and I'm going to put these onto the RESIN inlay, and now I'm going to see either it holds or it going to spill, because the Drizzy mold has some of the ups and downs, so the resin can escape. So this is something that I'm going to dare myself. So I'm using some glitter, and then I'm going to pour the resin. So I'm just correcting the shape, and I really don't know how this one is going to turn out. So here we go. It came out really nice, and I'm loving it. It got the Drizzy effect. So this is fun. I'm going to make two more. This is getting really fun. I'm going to use the Drizzy inlay. So I actually added some glitter, and now I'm going to make it simple and clear just to see how this looks like. So with the UV resin, you actually have to work in layers. So in this way, you get a very nice cured item, and then the resin don't shrink, so don't get any lines. So that's why I am doing single layers, and then I'm curing it, and then I'm doing more layers. So this is something when you're working with UV resin, you have to take care of. So here we go. I got a little air bubble in one of them, but it's fine. We will see how this turns out. I'm thinking that I'm going to cure it, but no, I don't think so. It is inside the resin. So very carefully I'm removing one of it, and you can see it is coming off the Drizzy, and here we go. This is how it is looking like. So if you're making a bigger flower in this way, I've already tried three things. I don't want to extend the video, but this is an idea for you that you can create bigger flowers also in any design you like, because I think I was going on and on and on. I think there should be a full stop to this. So this is the second one. So let's see how these turn out. So I did use chrome markers to highlight the outside. So I use golden on some and silver on some. So that is the final look of the decoration items for Christmas. Now it is really easy, a very DIY fun project. You just need a UV resin, some glitter, and some pearls, and that's it. And a toilet paper empty roll that you are going to throw out anyway, you can use it in this way. So this is really fun. I really enjoyed making it, and I hope you enjoyed watching it too. So if you do, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe, and share. I will link everything in my description. And thumbs up if you like the video, and if you have any suggestions, do let me know, because I think I will be posting regularly now, and because with the festive season coming, I think there are so many ideas I want to share with you. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and do let me know which one you like among them. So take good care of yourself. Bye bye.